What if I told you there's a way to skyrocket your productivity, ignite your creativity, and dominate your daily tasks, all with AI? Buckle up, because today we're revealing 8 AI tools you can't live without in 2025 that will completely change the game. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you crave the latest innovations and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 8 AI tools using in 2025. Powerful tools designed to supercharge your workflow, spark creativity, and take your productivity to the next level. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, there's something here for you. Buckle up, and let's jump right in. Number 8. Grammarly AI. Kicking things off at number 8. We've got Grammarly AI. This isn't your average grammar checker anymore. In 2025, it's an advanced writing powerhouse that polishes your content, sharpens your tone, and helps you sound like a pro. Whether you're drafting emails, essays, or even novels, Grammarly AI offers real-time suggestions, style refinements, and context-aware insights. But that's not all. It now features advanced genre-specific writing tools, making it perfect for fiction writers, technical bloggers, or legal professionals. Grammarly AI can detect your writing habits over time, offering personalized growth insights. Plus, its new collaboration features allow teams to maintain a consistent brand voice, ensuring seamless communication across businesses and projects. Number 7. Jasper AI. At number 7, say hello to Jasper AI, your ultimate content creation sidekick. Need blog posts, killer social media captions, or ad copy that converts? Jasper's got your back. In 2025, it's not just about generating text. It's about crafting content with perfect SEO optimization, adapting to your brand voice, and offering strategy recommendations that help you outshine the competition. What's new? Jasper now integrates with major marketing platforms like HubSpot and WordPress, automating content posting and performance tracking. It also features real-time A/B testing suggestions, helping marketers adjust their campaigns on the fly. With Jasper's multilingual capabilities, global marketing has never been easier. Number 6. Midjourney. Sliding into number 6 is Midjourney, the AI tool that's flipping the script on digital art. Want jaw-dropping visuals? Just type a prompt, and Midjourney creates stunning, hyper-realistic images perfect for social media, marketing, or even your next big project. In 2025, Midjourney introduces dynamic scene generation, allowing users to create animated sequences from static images. Its advanced style transfer technology lets artists mimic famous art styles or develop unique aesthetics. Whether you're designing game assets, book covers, or immersive virtual worlds, Midjourney makes your vision a reality. Number 5. Notion AI. At number 5, meet Notion AI, your productivity powerhouse. This isn't just a note-taking app. It's your personal project manager. It drafts documents, organizes tasks, summarizes meetings, and even suggests productivity hacks tailored to your workflow. In 2025, Notion AI offers AI-driven knowledge bases, turning scattered notes into structured, searchable libraries. Its meeting assistant can transcribe discussions, identify action items, and assign tasks automatically. Plus, with goal tracking dashboards, you can visualize your progress in real time. Notion AI isn't just smart, it's your productivity compass. Number 4. Synthesia. Landing at number 4 is Synthesia, the ultimate AI video creation tool. Forget cameras and microphones. Just type your script, and Synthesia produces professional videos with lifelike AI avatars. In 2025, Synthesia's avatars are more realistic than ever, with natural facial expressions, gestures, and multilingual fluency. It supports interactive videos, allowing viewers to engage with content through clickable options. Perfect for e-learning, corporate training, or social media content. Synthesia makes video creation effortless and engaging. Moreover, Synthesia now offers customizable avatars, enabling users to create digital twins for personal branding. Its advanced voice modulation feature ensures natural-sounding dialogue, while real-time translation supports global content delivery. The drag-and-drop interface simplifies video editing, making it accessible to beginners and pros alike. Number 3. Runway ML. Cracking the top 3 is Runway ML, every video editor's dream tool. Need real-time edits, mind-blowing visual effects, or flawless background removal? Runway ML has you covered. In 2025, it introduces advanced motion capture, AI-powered storyboarding, and automatic video summarization. You can create cinematic effects with a few clicks, add realistic CGI elements, or enhance video quality without expensive software. Runway ML transforms video editing from a chore into pure creative freedom. The latest update includes AI-driven color grading, automated audio syncing, and scene detection for seamless transitions. Runway ML also offers cloud-based rendering, reducing processing time significantly. Whether you're editing YouTube videos or producing films, Runway ML brings Hollywood-quality tools to your fingertips. Number 2. Copy.ai. Coming in hot at number 2 is Copy.ai, your go-to for all things marketing. Whether it's ad copy, email campaigns, or engaging blog posts, Copy.ai helps you create content that connects. In 2025, Copy.ai introduces AI-driven audience analysis, helping you tailor content for maximum impact. It can predict which headlines will perform best, optimize call to actions, and even suggest marketing funnels. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a large team, Copy.ai helps your message resonate. Copy.ai also supports dynamic content personalization, adapting messaging based on user behavior in real time. Its advanced analytics dashboard provides insights into content performance, while the AI-powered brainstorming tool generates creative ideas for campaigns. Perfect for scaling content production without compromising quality. Number 1. Pictory. And claiming the top spot, Pictory. This tool is a game-changer for content creators. It takes long videos and turns them into snackable, shareable clips perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. In 2025, Pictory's AI can auto-generate captions, highlight key moments, and even improve video quality. Its advanced editing suite allows for seamless transitions, dynamic text overlays, and instant content repurposing. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or educator, Pictory helps you create captivating videos with ease. And that's a wrap on the 8 AI tools you must be using in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious.